What's going on, guys? It's another day, another wave here on the west coast of Vancouver Island. We're about to head out and see if we can find a couple tasty lefts today. As usual, there's no telling what's gonna be out there. Could be really epic, could just be a huge mess, and this intro might completely go to waste, but I guess we'll see when we get down there. Follow me. Basically, we paddled all the way out here, and there's a few guys out, and it looks really fun. And now everybody has gone in, and we're pretty much about as far out as you can get when you're surfing this spot. So I don't know how long we'll hang out here. It's about 20 duck dives just to get out. And last set we just got absolutely cleaned up. So yeah, there's another one coming in now. Let's see what we get. Doing that paddle out again. Whew. That's it for today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to support my work and help grow this channel. You can shop prints, handmade surf art, and more on my website at www.tofinosurfphotography.com. And you can find even more content on our Instagram and Facebook at Tofino Surf Photography. You can find all the links in the description box below. Thanks so much for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one. Whew!